My name is Aldo Morales Kipo. An important moment in my path. Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today I was to talk about some important moments in my life. My most important achievement, an important moment in my path was when I finished my technical studies in agricultura productive and got me degree. That day was very special to me because it was one of my biggest goals. I was very happy and proud of myself. There was a small celebration where at home with my family. My mother was very excited and my sister were very proud too. There were many happy memories that day. That diploma is here in my room and these photos are from that celebration. Those moments were unforgettable. A special family celebration. Another important day is my mother's birthday. I always like to be with her because she is very important to me. There is usual yakase and there and are many delicious dishes. My family is here together and everyone is happy. My mother is a kid and loving person and trip to new places. I like traveling and visiting new places. In 2024, I traveled to Tacna with my sister and my niece. We stayed there for one week. There were many interesting places and there for was very delicious. There, the weather was warm and the city was very clean. This year went to Cusco with me mother went to the hospital because my mother needed a medical appointment. The doctor were very professional and the attention was excellent. Everything was finished. A difficult work experience. In 2023, I was working in agriculture. It was not an easy experience because the weather was very hot. And first the work was difficult, but later it was easier. I learned that should be patient and responsible. I should companion to much. I should keep learning every day. At present, I do not have a stable job. There are not many opportunities, but I continue working in agriculture. In the future, I should find a stable job related to my career. I should study more and improve my English. I should give up. I always tell myself, keep going, work hard, and don't stop. That you.